Yes, I do see the Al Wakrah match. Uh, this year, all the game is for Al Rayyan is very complicated. So, I think the game against Al Wakrah was the same. It will be the same because this year all the game is difficult for Al Rayyan. So Al Wakrah is a good team. He has a good trainer. He has the very good player, but we need to try to beat this team because I think my team is available to beat Al Wakrah and to beat all the team. But for the moment we lost a lot of game. So the first thing, in my opinion, is to recover the confidence individually and collectively because we need it. So the last game of Al Rayyan is not bad, but the problem we did some mistake, individual mistake, and we pay cash in the result. So we're preparing the game seriously. We work a lot. We recovery. Unfortunately, we don't recover some player because we have a lot of player injuries, and we have some player in the can. So, like the other team, but in this moment it's very complicated for Al Rayyan. I hope against Al Wakrah we have the reaction, the positive reaction, all the people, all the team, and the staff. Technical, and we beat this team Al Wakrah. Okay, the injuries, the absence is very important. But since the beginning of the league, we don't have the chance. We have a lot of injuries. We have. Some players go to the national team under 23, the national team, the first national team. Okay. I think at the beginning of the league, I don't put my team. I am in my head in the beginning of the season, but it's okay. This is the fact. I think I hope in the future it will be better. And I hope we finally we put a very good team, and the team I hope to put in the beginning of the season. But we miss a lot of players, So we need to do with the player in this moment, and I think with this player we can do better. We can do better. I think in the last game we deserve to do a draw. In my opinion, it was very fair or unfair to lose this game. But the reality is to lose the game. So we need to recover the point against Al Wakrah. I don't know. Al Wakrah he win the last game better for them, but the result, the other result, the result the most important for me is the result of Al Rayyan. So we lost a lot of games because we lost Al Qatar FC. We lost the last game. We need to give some points for the moral, for the mentally. I think my player give all the things, give the best in this moment is not enough. But I think if the team do the same game in the mentality, in the spirit, than the last game, we win the game in the future. I say that in my player. So we need to do the same, to work and to playing with the spirit, a good spirit and a good mentality. and we hope to win, and the future it will be better. I am sure.